Alright, cooking time. Where is it cooking time? It's cooking time in Ontonagon Township, Michigan. Yeah, UP. We're going to cook out with that beautiful Lake Gitche Gumi watching. Alright, hurry up. Get back to doing it fast. There we go. Creole seasoning. Oh, that's coming out. It's going to be Creole. Olive oil. Again, I keep it in this veggie bag so I don't get any crap anywhere. That's going to go out on the grill. And now a big London broil that's been marinated. Gotta celebrate being at Ontonagon on Lake Gitche Gumi. Three minutes aside, 3 minutes aside. Pretty great views, huh? There's so many logs out there, it's like a regatta. After all the storms, there's so much debris out there. I don't think I'd want to be out there in a boat. You have to be pretty careful. It's everywhere. It's a slab, isn't it? Alright, flipped it, turned it off. Another 3 minutes of indirect heat. Grill still over 300. The last 3 minutes. Alright. Take cut pretty. Huge, isn't it? Turn the grill back on. Let the potatoes cook and let this rest. Alright, gonna turn the grill off. This London is still steaming. Putting it on there just to, it's way too big. I'm gonna cut a chunk of it off. Came out medium. And potatoes. Take this, put it on top, so hopefully it doesn't cook too much more. I'm going to take this in and eat it. Alright, Logan's on TV. I got some broccoli, big shocker. I wasn't going to show this meal because I cooked the same thing quite a bit, but
many viewers say they like seeing them.
now we're going to nuke this. 3.5, 4 minutes. Then we'll eat. Alright, look at that. And juicy. Yeah. Waiting for the broccoli. There's the broccoli. Look at there. That's what I'm talking about. See if we're in there. Lemon juice. Oh, I'm very happy. I'm on Lake Superior again. Ontonagon. I'm eating potatoes because I like potatoes. I'm eating broccoli because it tastes good. Hot. Some Arizona green tea is good for you. Probably not, but oh well. Yeah. Look at there. Tender. Yeah, it's tender. Oh, and that seasoning is so good. This is the marinade I used. This Allegro hot and spicy marinade. This meal has no sriracha, so that just can't be. It would just be wrong of me not to have sriracha on there. Look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna hurry up and do a flyover because I want to eat. Alright. Potatoes with some sriracha on them too. Broil seasoning is on them. Great. And broil nice and tender. Over to the trees. Have a great and wonderful day.